Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a T-Rex wearing a t-shirt. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. First, draw a big round eye. Next, let's draw the head. This part is a little tricky, so follow the dotted line slowly. Add the nose. Now, add some sharp teeth. After that, draw the t-shirt. Then, draw the arms with claws. Let's move on to the tail and the right leg. Draw the tummy. Now, add the left leg. Don't forget the claws. All done with the sketch. Not too hard, right? Now let's start coloring. Color the head, arms, and legs green. Color the tummy light green. Make the eye in the back dark green. Add the nose. And color the inside of the mouth dark green too. color the t-shirt bright pink.
All finished!
Here's our cute T-Rex in a t-shirt. Wasn't that fun? Try drawing more T-Rexes and give them different colored t-shirts.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe!
See you next time!